Today I am reviewing the MALLRACE laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MALLRACE 15.6-inch laptop is a perfect combination of power, performance, and portability, designed for professionals, students, and creative users who demand both speed and reliability. At the heart of this laptop is the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse that can reach turbo speeds of up to 4.5 GHz. This processor is capable of handling demanding tasks with ease, whether you are running multiple applications, editing large documents, or streaming high-quality media. It ensures a smooth and responsive experience for everyday tasks and more advanced workloads, giving you desktop-class performance in a sleek, portable package. Paired with AMD Radeon Graphics, the MALLRACE laptop delivers visually rich and smooth graphics, making it suitable for creative work, light gaming, and video editing. Whether you're designing presentations, editing photos, or creating content for social media, the Radeon GPU provides crisp visuals, sharp colors, and fluid playback. Combined with the 16GB of DDR4 RAM, this laptop can handle multitasking without slowing down, keeping everything running efficiently, even when multiple browser tabs, software applications, and background tasks are active. The RAM can also be upgraded up to 64GB, which ensures that this laptop can continue to meet your performance needs for years to come. Storage is another strong point of this device. With a 512GB M.2 NVMe SSD, you can enjoy lightning-fast boot times, quick file access, and seamless program launches. For users who need more storage, the laptop includes 2 additional M.2 slots, which can support up to 4 TB of total storage. This makes it easy to store large media libraries, project files, and software applications without ever worrying about running out of space. With this storage configuration, the MALLRACE laptop is future-proof, scalable, and designed to grow with your needs. The display is a 15.6-inch IPS panel, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. Its wide viewing angles and anti-glare coating provide a comfortable viewing experience, reducing eye strain during extended work or study sessions. Whether you are editing documents, browsing the web, or watching high-definition videos, this display ensures clarity and immersion. The laptop also features a 180-degree hinge, allowing the screen to be fully flattened for collaborative work or a comfortable viewing angle, depending on your environment. Connectivity options on the MALLRACE laptop are comprehensive and versatile. It includes 3 USB 3.2 ports, 1 full-featured USB-C port supporting data transfer, charging, and video output, an HDMI 1.4 port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a DCIN port, and a TF card slot. This wide range of ports ensures you can easily connect printers, external drives, monitors, and other essential devices. The laptop also supports Wi-Fi 6, providing faster and more stable wireless connections, which is perfect for cloud-based work, online collaboration, or streaming high-quality content. Security and privacy are thoughtfully included as well. The laptop comes with a physical webcam switch that allows you to block the camera entirely when not in use, giving peace of mind during video calls or when working in public spaces. Combined with the backlit keyboard, this laptop is designed for both comfort and convenience, allowing you to type efficiently in dim lighting while maintaining a professional look. From design to performance, the MALLRACE 15.6-inch laptop balances elegance with durability. Its slim profile and lightweight build make it easy to carry to the office, school, or coffee shop, while the powerful hardware ensures that you're never limited by performance constraints. The laptop's AMD Ryzen 7 processor, expandable RAM, fast SSD, high-definition display, and versatile connectivity make it a reliable companion for productivity, creativity, and entertainment. Overall, the MALLRACE laptop is an exceptional choice for anyone looking for a high-performance, future-ready device that can handle demanding tasks while remaining portable and stylish. Whether you're a student, professional, or content creator, this laptop offers the speed, reliability, and flexibility to meet all your computing needs, making it a strong contender in the competitive laptop market. With its combination of processing power, graphics performance, storage capacity, and connectivity, the MALLRACE 15.6-inch AMD Ryzen 7 laptop stands out as a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly device that delivers excellent value for both work and play.